Hi friends, this is Shoumik Bishwash, Assistant Professor, the Department of EEE. The experience in the field of engineering as a professor, I have completed a total 14 years in 8 different colleges. So today, my subject, I have started the class, that is circuit theory. So under BTech syllabus, circuit theory is coming under category of EE 301. So the paper name is circuit theory and network. So in this circuit theory, what should I say? First of all, we have to know what is circuit. Again, what is theory, and again, what is network. So first of all, if I comes to know that what is circuit, so what is you can call circuit? Suppose one battery, it is connected with a resistance, and finally the line comes that closed. So what is the fact then? The current comes in this way, because this is a plus, this is a minus. So the current is flowing in which path? That is a path. If I can mark it as A, then B, then C, then D. So current is following this A, B, C, D path, this one. So here, what is circuit? Then circuit is complete ABCD path. Now this is the source, and that source is a type DC. So with the source, when the current is running through this path A, B, C, D, so this is called the circuit. Yes, the circuit have that first element, that is a DC source, second element, that is the resistance, and nothing else. So these are the elements of the circuit. Okay. So this particular power source is called the active element, and this particular active element, if removed, okay, by some scissor, we can see, if I am removing this particular active source, so what the circuit will be resting like? Here just this is a resistance, here, here, and that, no, nothing else. So this particular thing is called network. So what is the definition of network? When that particular active element like battery or any other power sources is removed from the circuit, so the remaining path, this is called the network. So the network may have nodes, branches, trees, like different things, which will be detailed, we will study in that graph theory, how network behave like, and what are the different theorems of current, voltage, and etc. Depending upon this, we can easily explain with the help of graph theory, which will be the becoming content of my lecture. So today we should concentrate ourselves on that circuit and network, the basic. So what is circuit then? With the active element and that other element, which you can say that R, it can be a passive element. So this particular element doesn't have any power. This is a power source. So these all are the element of a circuit. So what is a circuit? It is a closed path. Okay, so if a closed path it given to an active source like one particular battery, so what is the current flow inside the circuit is called the complete path. So the circuit is the complete path. Here ABCD is a circuit. Now if that active element is removed, so the remaining part is called the network. Fine. Now I directly come with that value of R, that is called the resistance. So what is a resistance? That resist, it means which resists the current flow. So as per the Ohm's law, you know that V equals to IR. So what the law states, that if the temperature and the other condition of a particular conductor is of no change, it means just remain constant. If found so, then only the changes of V is being proportionate with that changes of R, changes of I. So therefore that R is called the resistance. The resistance is equals to V by I. So if you are doing some sort of series combination of resistance, so I can say, right, series, it should be R, say T, that is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus dot dot dot. So therefore it is a summation of Ri, where I equals to 1 upon N, that is a Rn, total resistance. And it will look like this, but like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to dot dot that N. So if you are writing in this way, that 1, 2, 3, 4 up to that N, so that is that R of N, R I equals to 1 to N. Now if are they parallel, if are they parallel, so R1 is parallel with R2, then the total resistance is RT equals to R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So how to find out this? So suppose one combination, you can see this first one, second one and third one, that is R1, R2, R3. So what is the final? How to find out this? First you have to find out the summation of these two. It will be like this RT. In the next one it should apply that RT parallel with R3. So it should be RT R3 by RT plus R3. Hence you can write that R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 into R3 divided by R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So finally the result comes out as RT. Okay.